Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In today's session, I will teach you guys how to use Excel. For example, here we have this scenario. Lina owns a small gift shop and she wants to see the trends of the number of products sold and total sales for a total of 4 months. And this can be identified by using Excel. First of all, launch your Microsoft Excel and choose blank workbook. Now you can start to fill in your data by double-click on cell A1 and type month. Do the same for cell B1, double-click on it and type number of products sold. Also, C1 you can type total sales. Now you can start to fill in the first data, which is at the cell A2. Double-click on it and type January. Now you can see the small square at the corner of the box here, and you can drag it down, and you can see the value will automatically fill up. And if it doesn't work like this, you can right click on your mouse and select fill series, and you can fill up the value for number of products sold and total sales for each group. Now you have your data ready, and just to make it more neat, you can add table for this data by select from cell E1 to C5 and go to Home tab and choose border and select all borders. And you can also add colors to the head of the table so you can see the difference. And by doing the same, select the title that you want and go to the Home tab and choose fill color and choose the color that you want. For example, here I choose the blue color. And the data you can make it center. Okay. Now you have your data ready, and you can start to create the chart by select all the data and click insert tab and choose recommended charts. This is the charts that are recommended to you, but you can also see all charts that they provide and choose what you prefer. For example, here I choose the column type of graph, clustered column, and I choose the second one and click OK. And you can leave it here, but if you think it's a crowded here, you can move it to the new sheet. Right click on the graph and select move chart, choose new sheet and change the title of the sheet. It could be anything but for this one I will choose product count, for example. Now you have your chart in the new sheet, and you can start to edit it. Click the chart, and you can start by click the plus button or the chart element, and you can choose the elements that you want to have on your chart. For example, here I will choose the thing is suitable to be on the chart, which is the axis, chart title, data levels, grid lines, and also legend. And you can change the title of the chart by click on the chart title and type product outcome, for example, and select it and make it bold and change the size to 20 just to make it visible. And I'll do the same to the alt text on the graph by click on it and go to the home tab, make it bold and change the size to 14. So it will look like this. And you can also change the color of the bar to the color that you prefer. For example, you click on it and choose fill and line. Go to fill and choose solid line and choose color that you want. You can also see more colors that you can custom or you can just choose the standard one. For example, I'll go with this color and I'll do the same to the rest of the bar. And you can also add border to each of the bar by doing the same. Click on it and go to fill and line and go to border and choose solid line, choose the color which is I will choose black and change the width to 1. And I'll do the same to the rest of the bar. And that's it, you have your chart. And you can see here the number of product sold is increasing from 120 to 165. And same goes to the total sales, which is also increasing from January to April. And that's it. You can save your file now by click on here and find save as. Click on it and you can change the title of the file that you want. For example, and you can change whether to save it in PDF form or Excel form. I will just save in Excel form and save. And now you have your file in your computer. That's all. Thank you for watching.